So, shall I start?
Yes, Aishwarya, you can proceed.
A pleasant morning to all of you. We, Aishwarya V. Kishore and Raghavi, on behalf of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Chungangadai, take this opportunity to welcome you all to the first day of the two-day online international conference on Computing Technologies 2021, jointly organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Department of Information Technology.
Let us commence this beautiful and informative day by seeking the blessings of the Lord Almighty. Let us begin with the prayer song.
Varun, it is not audible. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. I request all of you to keep 1 minute silent prayer.
The outbreak of COVID-19 is a human tragedy. The ripple effect of this tragedy is a terrible history of human life as well as intimidating the business around the world.
At this conference, we aim to provide every participant an interactive platform for sharing, collaborating, and creating knowledge on various domains.
It's my privilege to invite Dr. R.P. Antokumar, Head, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, St. Saviour's Catholic College of Engineering, to present the welcome address.
Good morning to all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, thank you. In this pleasant morning, we all are here in this virtual meet to witness another milestone in the history of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and the Department of Information Technology of St. Saviour's Catholic College of Engineering, Kanyakumari, South India. International Conference on Computing Technologies ICCT 2020 aims to bring together top researchers around the world to exchange research results and address open issues in all aspects of computing technologies. Now we all are here for the colorful inaugural ceremony. At this juncture, it's my duty to welcome all of you gathered here for this function. First of all, I would like to welcome our correspondent and president of this function, Reverend Dr. M. Maria William. He is the man who continuously motivating us to organize this type of technical gatherings. On behalf of the organizing team, I welcome you, Father. It's a great pleasure for me to extend a hearty welcome to our chief guest, Dr. D.C. Subangi, Professor and Chairman, PG Center, Vishwaraya Technical University, Belagavi. She accepted our humble request for being our chief guest for today's function. On behalf of our college, I welcome you, Madam.
Thank you, sir.
I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to our principal and organizing convener of this conference, Dr. J. Mageshwaran. He is the man who behind all the academic activities at our campus. On behalf of the organizing team, I welcome you, sir. Next, I welcome our Vice Principal, Dr. M. Marceline Beno. He is the man who provides support and guidance to all our academic activities. On behalf of the organizing team, I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I am very happy to welcome our research dean, Dr. R.S. Shaji, for this function. He is the man who motivates and guides all of us to undergo various research-related activities at our campus. On behalf of the organizing team, I welcome you, sir.
Thank you all.
I take this opportunity to welcome the HOD of Information Technology Department and co-convener of this conference, Dr. J. Andrews. On behalf of the organizing team, I welcome you, Madam.
Thank you, sir.
I extend a very welcome to the organizing secretary of this conference, Dr. C. Seldev Christopher. He planned and organized this conference in a fantastic manner. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
I welcome the participants who are gathered here from various colleges to participate in this technical event. On behalf of our college, I welcome you all. Next, I welcome the advisory panel members, chairpersons, department faculty and staff members, other department faculty and staff members who are gathered here for this inaugural function. On behalf of myself and department, I welcome you all. Finally, I welcome the students who are assembled here to make this event a grand success. Once again, I welcome all of you for this inaugural function and the following technical events. Thank you. Thank you once and all.
Thank you, sir, for your words of welcome.
With much pleasure, may I invite Dr. C. Selvadev Christopher, the Organizing Secretary, International Conference on Computing Technologies, to give an introduction to the conference.
Well, it's audible.
Yes, sir. You can proceed, sir.
So, respected correspondent, Reverend Father Dr. M. Maria William, the chief guest Dr. D.C. Subhangi, Professor and Chairman, Department of Computer Science, Visvesvaraya Technical University, Balakavi, then organizing conveners, Dr. J. Mageshwaran, Principal, then Dr. M. Ashlin Bano, Vice Principal, Dr. R. Shaji, Dean Research, then organizing co-conveners, Dr. R.P. Antokumar, Head, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and Dr. J. Andrews, Head, Department of Information Technology, delegates, and my dear participants. A warm good morning to all present here. I am certainly privileged and delighted to introduce First International Conference on Computing Technologies, ICCT 2021, organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Information Technology of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Chungangadai, Nagarkoil. Computing is the process of using computer technology to complete a given goal-oriented task. Computing may encompass the design and development of software and hardware systems for a broad range of purposes, often structuring, processing, and managing any kind of information to aid in the pursuit of scientific studies, making intelligent systems, and creating using different media for entertainment and communication. It has scientific, engineering, mathematical, technological, and social aspect. Technology is constantly updating at such a rapid pace that it seems it might be faster than light. A technology or programming language that is making the round this week may be obsolete by the next few days. As more and more funds are invested in research and development, computer scientists and professionals are constantly tweaking and improving existing technologies to get the most out of them. As a result, a new programming language, library, patch, or plugin gets released almost every hour. To keep up with this crazy phase of development, you have to keep learning the latest technology and the concepts. This ICCT 21 is an international conference in the field of computer science and communication, focusing to address issues and development in advanced computing. Computing Technology Conference aims to bring together leading academic scientists, researchers, and research scholars to exchange and share their experience and research results in all aspects of computing technology. It also provides a premier interdisciplinary platform for researchers, practitioners, and educators to present and discuss the most recent innovation, trends, and concerns, as well as practical challenges encountered and solution adapted in the field of computing technologies. Let us move together to share our knowledge and experience that will go a very long way in helping to build up the healthy, prosperous, and developed nation. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your pleasing information.
Young minds are like sponges and they are looking for the right input to soak it in. We cannot think of a person than Dr. D.C. Shubhangi, Professor and Chairman, Vishveshwaraya Technological University, Belagavi, who is an exceptional and outstanding multifaceted professional. She is also a passionate speaker and motivator. It's my pleasure to invite you, ma'am, to give the inaugural address.
Thank you, dear. Good morning to all. Respected dignitaries, Dr. M. Marcelina Bino, Vice Principal, Dr. J. Maheshwaran, Principal, and respected Dr. M. Maria William, Correspondent, Dr. R.P. Antokumar, HOD of Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. R.S. Shaji, Dean Research, Dr. C. Seldev Christopher, Organizing Secretary of ICCT 2021, and my best friend. Myself, I Dr. Shubhangi DC. I am working as a chairman of Department of Computer Science at Vishveshwaraya Technical University, Center for PG Studies, Regional Office, Kalburgi. I am honored here and it gives me a great pleasure in giving an inaugural and warm welcome to you all for the inaugural function of International Conference on Computing Technologies 2021, organized by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering of St. Xavier Catholic College of Engineering, Nagarkoli, Kanyakumari. The ICCT 2021, it is an international forum for the academics and it is an international forum for academic and industries to exchange the visions and ideas in the state of art and practice of information and computing technologies. ICCT 2021 provides an exposure on computing technologies and explore the effective modalities of computer science and information technology courses in professional programs. The conference will help the IT industry to derive the advances for the next generation computing. It aims to provide the participants an opportunity to exchange the new ideas and their research work to establish the business or research relations and to find the global partners for the future collaboration. This conference focuses on the recent advancements in computing domains such as Internet of Things, digital design, machine learning, image processing, signal processing, cloud computing, and different computing technologies, network design, and many more ambient applications of the computing technologies. As computer science and information technology courses are high in demand now, the International Conference on Computing Technology aims to bring together leading academic scientists, researchers, and research scholars to exchange and share their experience and research results on all aspects of computing technology. It also provides a premium interdisciplinary platform for the researcher, practitioner, and educators to present and discuss the most recent innovations, trends, and concerns, as well as the practice challenges encountered and solutions adopted in the field of computing technology. Today, this conference has become one of the major events of the year in the field of the human-computer interaction. With the evolution of the information and communication technology, the world is going through the rapid change. This ICT advantage should be extended to all literate and illiterate, able-bodied and disabled users, urban and rural people. In this respect, our world, in fact, is divided into the two privileged and unprivileged peoples. There is a need to bridge the gap between unprivileged users and the cyber society. And such conferences we are playing the very important role and will help the society to fill the gaps. I express my sincere gratitude to all the organizers, keynote speakers, research scholars, faculty participants. We look forward to taking home huge experiences and thought-provoking ideas on computing technologies from this conference. I also thank Professor Seldev Christopher Sir and all organizing members for inviting me as a keynote speaker for the ICCT 2021. I would be failing in my duty for the kind support extended by the program committee members and teaching fraternity at the large who have shown the deep interest in this ICCT 2021. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for the valuable message with your technical thoughts.
Our principal, Dr. G. Maheshwaran, is a renowned scholar and is hardworking by nature. Now, may I invite Dr. J. Maheshwaran to greet on this occasion.
Reverend Correspondent Father, distinguished chief guest, keynote speakers, vice principal, deans, heads of computer science and engineering and information technology departments of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, dear faculty members, participants, good morning to all. I am very happy to be with you during this inaugural function of International Conference on Computing Technologies, organized by the Departments of Computer Science Engineering and Information Technology. I congratulate the HODs and faculty members of CSE and IT departments for their meticulous planning and organizing this international conference. They arranged for 4 keynote addresses by eminent academicians of reputed universities in India and abroad. They arranged technical presentation in 6 tracks and plan to publish the selected papers in UGC approved journal. Good. Computing technologies plays a major role in nearly every sector of daily life, including education, health, shopping, communication, business, travel, and even in home. Computing technologies permeates the fabric of contemporary life at home, at work, and even at play. It is highly appropriate to organize this international conference now. Once again, my congrats to the organizers. I am sure that the deliberations of this international conference will be of immense use to the researchers, faculty members, software professionals, and students. Wish this international conference every success. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for your pleasant greetings.
Our correspondent, Reverend Father Dr. M. Maria William, is a dynamic character known for his social thinking, educational schemes, and implementation. It's my privilege now to invite our beloved correspondent to extend the presidential address.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, Father.
It's indeed nice to meet all of you virtually in these days, especially as we are at home, mostly due to the corona pandemic lockdowns. My dear Principal, Dr. Maheshwaran, the Chief Guest, Dr. D.C. Shubangi, Vice Principal, Dr. Beno, the HODs, the organizing secretaries, and all that are involved in organizing this conference, and the delegates, the participants, and my dear students. Indeed, it's a very, very relevant thing to do at this time, to organize an international conference on computing technologies, which is going to bring to the great minds to share the fruits of their research, and this is also going to educate all of us, especially our students, to again delve deep into the technological aspects of computing and go for innovations that will help our society and our humanity. Well, computing has become a second language for the whole universe. People who do not know certain amount of computing are almost considered to be illiterate nowadays. The role of technology is making life easy and comfortable for all. Computing technologies are indeed contributing a lot in these aspects. I used to wonder how the scientists, especially the space scientists, are able to manage the tremendous information they get. It is actually a big boon. In the sense, computing technology has grown up so much that it can handle and manage so much of information, analyze information, and bring credible decisions. And thus, we are able to come out with good innovations and discoveries that will bring our humanity to the next levels of life. At one side, it is like that. At another, commercially, corporates are using the computing systems in the best way possible to further their aims and their goals. And of course, we can see they are amassing so much of money by that. There is another side. Meantime, we are also very much concerned about the ordinary people. How we are going to make our ordinary people comfortable in their lives with the emerging computing technologies. As Dr. D.C. Shubhangi pointed out, we have to bridge the gap between the privileged and the underprivileged people. And computing can be a great instrument in dealing with that. The budding computers, that is our engineers, need to have these ideas in their minds. The vision of our world should be a vision of people with equality, people with enough comforts to make life happy for everyone. I'm sure these conferences will enlighten, at least in some way, to go towards that. I would like to remind again the vision of our college: developing technically empowered humane society. So every computing personnel need to be humane, so that they will be serving with their knowledge and skills and talents the people of this world, to create a humane society. You know, nowadays we are experiencing so much of difficulties because of this coronavirus. There are people who are so merciful, so service-oriented, who make life at least little easier to the ordinary people, especially people who suffer because of corona. At the same time, we also see some people to be so mindless and merciless. Even at this pandemic times, they are looking into ways of getting profit out of the difficulties of our people. Today, I would like to remind all of us that we all have the same destiny, the destiny of bringing up the best world possible for our progeny. I wish this conference brings that to all the minds of people and goes a step further towards that great goal. I wish all those who have involved in organizing this program great success. I'm sure this program is going to be very educative and informative to everyone involved. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Father. Your presence and valuable presidential address really added meaning to this great technical gathering.
Thank you.
Now, Dr. M. Marcelin Beno, Vice Principal of our college, is with us. He is known for the chapter of career guidance and counseling. May I request him to greet the program?
Good morning and warm greetings to all. Respected President of the conference and inaugural function President, our beloved correspondent, Reverend Father Dr. Maria William, respected Chief Guests, Dr. D.C. Subhangi Ma'am, Professor and Chairman of Visvesvaraya Technological University, beloved Principal and Conference Convener, Dr. J. Mageswaran, co-conveners of this virtual conference, Dr. Andrew Kumar, HOD of CSE, Dr. Ann Rose, HOD of IT Department, Organizing Secretary, Dr. Seldev Christopher, guests, delegates, my dear staff and students. It is an honor and a great pleasure to be with you in this August inaugural function of International Conference on Computing Technologies ICCT 2021. It is the first international virtual conference organized by the Department of CSE and IT. Hope this may be the fourth international conference in total organized by the combined effort of both the IT and CSE department. Congratulations and appreciation to the both departments. I would like to say a few words about this computing. We are all living in the age of fourth industrial revolution, that is Industry 4.0. So it is otherwise called CPS, Cyber Physical System. It consists of 3 C's, everyone know: computing, communicating, and controlling. So nowadays the energy consumption is a lot of issues. Because of that severe environment problem, because the pandemic, we are all feeling we are affected by this pandemic problem, this COVID-19 issues. Therefore, the energy efficient computing is need of the day. So computing, you all already, our chief guest discussed and our correspondent father explained about the computing. So it is a study, experimentation of algorithmic process or with the use of hardware and software. There are a lot of computing methods there. I hope in this conference we will see different types of computing and different types of technologies. I would like to say a few headings only. You may discuss in the 2 days conference coming sessions. The major computing concepts are parallel computing and distributed computing. You are all know parallel computing means parallelly computing one memory, different processes. So we are parallelly computing. Distributed computer means like a wide area network, networking with all from anywhere. now recently there are so many again distributed computer classified as cluster computing, grid computing. Now the recent topics like cloud computing, quantum computing, and again very important green computing and soft computing. So now the pandemic period also, this all the soft computing using machine learning, deep learning, or IoT based interruption for analyzing the COVID-19 issues or COVID-19 cases, forecasting, predicting the pandemic outbreak. So lot of testing and validation. So all the things are possible because of these computing technologies. Hope this topic is very useful and maybe maybe give some solution for the recent problems also. So I once again congratulate and appreciate the organizers for the choosing of the topic computing conference. So I congratulate both IT and CSC HOD staff members. They have taken a great effort in organizing this conference. Hope conference is a milestone in all our life. I would like to wish you all a very fruitful and successful conference. Have a great conference. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your enthusiastic words of greeting.
Thank you.
Now, may I invite Dr. R.S. Shaji, Dean, Research, St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, to give the formal vote of thanks.
Good morning to all the dignitaries and the participants.
Good morning.
The original research outcomes are the real need of this hour. We are all experiencing this in these pandemic times. Although we excelled in the field of science, engineering, and technology, we are still lagging so behind in using computing technologies, especially the applications of artificial intelligence, the field of medical sciences, since the problems are very emergency in nature and are to be solved on time to avoid the crisis. Computing technologies are the one which can leverage the processes and assist the scientists to deliver their findings time for benefit of the people during this time. We hope that good findings in the field of medical sciences will also dominate in the upcoming conference sessions. I am proudly saying that more than 300 participants are witnessing this event now through the online. First of all, I thank the Almighty for the blessings to conduct this event successfully, since this conference shall provide a platform for young researchers to learn and exhibit innovative ideas for the benefit of the economy and environment. Now, I want to mention a person who always encourages not only the teachers but the student community also to explore themselves in both academics and research in order to fulfill the vision of our institution, technically empowered human society. He is the one who always motivates us to conduct these types of events regularly in order to provide opportunity to everyone who wants to publish their innovative ideas for the learning community, and he is none other than our honorable correspondent, Reverend Father Dr. Malyadia. In his presidential address also he mentioned like this: the outcome of conferences should enable the life of ordinary people comfortably. Because of an urgent work, our correspondent has left this meeting just now. On behalf of everyone involved in this conference, I thank you, Father. I thank Father Francis Xavier, our bursar, in his absence here for his financial support towards the conduct of this event. In this inaugural address, Professor Dr. Subanki, the Visalia Technological University, Bangalore, has mentioned that conferences are platforms that help to fill the gaps between the researchers and the community by linking them with useful outcomes. And it advises to all the experienced and minds in the world of research and higher education for. So we are very eager to hear your keynote address in this regard. In spite of the hectic schedule, you are spending time to spend the useful to all the. On behalf of everyone involved in this conference, I thank you, Professor. our principal, Dr. Maheshwaran, who is a respectable and very likable personality to everyone of our institution because of his gentleness in leadership and his willingness to guide everyone to achieve heights in their career and life. He is the man behind the conduct of every event in the campus and he is one among it. On behalf of everyone involved in this conference, I thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Our Vice Principal and Dean Academics, Dr. Marcelin Beno, has already involved in implementing few reforms in the academic processes, the way of conducting of the academic activities, as well as research activities in our institution. We always act as a catalyst to do these types of events frequently in the campus. And on behalf of everyone involved in this conference, I thank you, Professor. I thank Dr. M. Milton, Coordinator at IQAC, and Dr. Krishna Singh, Dean Student Affairs, for their motivation towards the conduct of this event. I appreciate the two professors of the Computer Science and Engineering Department, the head of the department, Dr. R.P. Antokumar sir, and Professor Dr. C. Sergey Kushova sir, for their interest and tireless work in conducting this conference in this pandemic time on Zoom. I also thank Dr. Andrews, HOD Information Technology, for her assistance behind the of this conference. On behalf of everyone involved in this conference, my earnest thanks to you all. My sincere thanks to the teaching and non-teaching staff members of both CSE and IT, and the students of those departments, and faculty members and students of other departments for showing their interest in conducting and participating to make this event successfully. I thank all the keynote speakers, chairpersons of the sessions, all presenters, and all technical staff members behind the online conduct of this event. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words of gratitude.
Thank you.
Now, let us all lend our ears to the college anthem. Thank you all for your valuable presence in this wonderful occasion. Have a great day ahead. Stay home and stay safe.